I've just been on the Target app and bought a Christmas tree. So we're gonna jump in the car and go and pick it up. Where's Dad? Hiding. There's Eric on the couch. He's here. Hi. Where's Dan? What are you doing?
He's hiding.
Why?
You said, I bet he's hiding. So I went to go hide.
Why are you hiding?
Right there. James cut his finger.
I hurt myself. Can't put it on the tripod. Let's go get the Christmas tree that you've been wanting.
Yay!
I'm so excited because we're going Christmas shopping at Target.
Super excited.
You can tell it's Target when there's kids screaming over there. So we just got this gingerbread house and we're gonna do a video making the gingerbread house together. It's gonna be super cute.
We're gonna see who can do it the best.
Who can make the coolest side of the gingerbread house and see if it's cohesive or not. So that's what we're gonna do when we get home. And I'm trying to find some chocolate because I want some chocolate and I'm hungry. Oh my god, cherries, chocolate, orange. Do you have those? Apparently. Oh my god, that's popping candy. Oh, they're out of the original ones. They're so good. I love those. You got a dark chocolate one or a white chocolate? I'm gonna get a white chocolate one. This every year was in my stocking was a Terry's chocolate orange. So I'm gonna get one as a memory for that. Yeah. Or should we go red to match the highlight accents of the house?
Go red and green.
No, not red and green. That's too much.
Red and green.
Too much. Like these ones?
Yeah, that's cool.
And then we need to get some white ones to like balance it off balance it.
This is our first time Christmas shopping together. We bought a tree at Home
We
Depot.
bought a tree in Hawaii, but we never bought like the ornaments and stuff. So this is our first time building an actual tree from all of it. I found some more ornaments.
These are cheaper.
So now we're gonna get these ones instead.
Ooh,
Yeah, that's
cool.
much.
These little ones.
I don't like the green and gold. No. I think we're gonna go with these ones. I don't know though. Yeah, these ones are good.
These are neat.
Yeah, those ones, they got the dark ones. Get those ones. Look what Tim found.
Look at me.
Little legend.
Look at that, guys. This big tree box.
James surprised me with a tree.
Yep. Merry Thanksgiving.
Thanks, James.
I've never done Thanksgiving really before. Like, I've not really done it. So I don't really understand why everyone wants a tree before Thanksgiving, but Dan was crying about getting a tree before Thanksgiving. And tomorrow is Thanksgiving. And if I say Thanksgiving one more time, but I thought we'd come and get a tree and sort out having that up ready for tomorrow morning so he can wake up and be all excited.
I'm gonna be excited.
Thank you. We're gonna put this light on so people can see you. There you are. Hi guys.
Hello. The light is on.
Now it is.
Now we're heading back to the house.
We just walked in through the door and Maui is all excited to see the Christmas tree. Is it, Mau? Oh, you love the Christmas tree, do you? You love the tree. I wonder if he's gonna help us set it up. You gonna help us? You gonna help us? Well excited. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First of all, I need to get my Terry's chocolate orange, that's white chocolate, so that I can snack on that while we assemble the tree. Look, Maui, what is it? Whoa! Oh, Maui. Lindor chocolate, you're not allowed that. When we were growing up, they come in like a ball like this, and then you don't like, you can't just like peel it apart because it's chocolate. So you have to smash it, like on the floor, on the box.
Mine's a little easier, you just
eat it. Yeah, you have to smash it. And it should break it all up so then you can eat it.
Weird.
It's not weird, it's cool.
You eat the whole thing?
Not at once. Have you ever had this?
I've seen people eat it, but no.
Have you ever had Terry's chocolate orange?
No.
Do you want one?
Try it, like?
And then you peel out a segment. Wow, look at that.
Funny.
It's like an orange thin. Mmm. Terry's chocolate orange.
Never had one.
Mmm. Yummy.
Wow.
Been a minute.
First steps.
There. Wow.
Cats everywhere.
They're all excited. Dan's gonna put the final top bit on.
Okay, ready for the light.
Turn the lights on. Whoa. So cool. What are you doing? Eric. Eric, you're making the tree wobble.
Eric just climbed in the tree.
So we did have it looking really nice. Now there's a big gap.
Oh, there's a whole
Thanks to a little imposter.
whole thing fell off.
Little
like-
imposter in the tree.
The Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
I'm a little bit disappointed because the whole bottom part of the tree isn't lit up. And it's meant to be. And I just figured it out that it's not. For some reason. I'm toying with the idea, do we take it back and get a new one? Or do we just deal with that? Because it's not that big of a deal, is it?
Look who fixed it.
What?
I'm smart. I fix everything.
How did you do that?
I fixed the bulb that was missing. It was missing a bulb.
Oh, is that all it was?
Yeah.
We have a Christmas tree that's fully lit. So now I'm happy. Good job. Good job.
Good job, Target.
Good job, Dan. Good
Thanks.
job. I think we're no longer going to have a box for our Christmas tree. Well, we've got the tinsel up now. It's looking pretty cool. Now we have to put all the baubles on and the star, and then we can turn it on and see what it looks like with the lights on. So we've done the tree, and now it's time to put the star up on the top. Dan's gonna do the star and connect it up so that it lights up, and we'll turn the lights on and see how beautiful the tree looks. What do you guys think so far? I think it looks pretty cool. Here he goes.
It used to be really hard to put the star on.
Not here.
Staircase. Here it goes. Where should it face?
The door. See if you can do it. You know what we used to do? We used to bend it in half.
Yeah, that's what I was about to do.
Whoops.
Oh no.
Whoops.
Maui's got it. Who knew it would be so hard to get the star on the top of the tree? It's meant to be the fun, easy bit, but it always seems to be the hardest bit. Alright, Dan's gonna figure that out, and we're gonna put this ready so you can see the lights when they turn on. Alright, the great grand light reveal.
Here we go.
Ta-da! Wow. Whoa. Well, we've got our Christmas tree up and it's
Tree
all
lighting ceremony.
lit up. Yep, the tree lighting ceremony is complete. We hope you guys have enjoyed coming along on our little tree journey.